Hello mga Mars! Eto na nga, alam niyo ba na meron akong show na laging pinapanood? Simula nang in-introduce ito ng aking asawa, lagi ko na siyang pinapanood kasi nga, nakakatawa at nakakatanggal ng stress.
Okay.
And by the way, this is my favorite character.
Oh yes!
So mga Mars, eto na yung quick story. May isang classic show na sobrang nagustuhan ko lately. Ito yon, yung Seinfeld. If hindi niyo pa naririnig, is this super iconic American sitcom, basically, a show about nothing.
What?
As in everyday life lang ang topic pero sobrang nakakatawa. At meron itong 4 characters. Si Jerry, si George, si Elaine, and of course, my favorite, si Kramer. Okay, umpisahan natin kay Jerry. Si Jerry yung main guy, comedian siya na laging witty observation about life. Si George naman yung best friend niya na ultimate overthinker, representation ng lahat ng taong lagi na lang stress. At si Elaine, strong, independent, pero chaotic in the best way. At syempre, my favorite, Kramer. Yung kapitbahay na hindi sumusunod sa laws of physics. What makes Seinfeld special is yung humor niya. Hindi siya deep, hindi dramatic, hindi inspirational, pero super relatable. Lahat ng awkward moments, misunderstanding, at tiny annoyances natin sa real life, ginagawa nilang top-tier comedy. Kaya kahit old show na siya, timeless pa rin. It's simple, it's smart, and it's the kind of humor na parang sinasabi sa'yo, relax, normal lang maging ganun. In a good way. Kaya ano pa inaantay nyo? I-watch nyo na to. Grabe, sobrang nakakatawa, relax, nakakatanggal ng stress. And that's it. Ma-share ko lang. Bye!